Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. Today I see that there's a question in the WordPress forum asking how do I change the background color for my footer? And this question is for the 2025 theme. So for example, for my 2025 theme, if I were to scroll down, you can see that my footer color is white color. So if I want to set it to yellow color, how can I do so? So I want to take the opportunity of this video to show you how you can change the background of your footer. So the first thing is to go to the dashboard and go to Appearance, Editor. Click on the editor and inside you will find an option called Patterns. Click on Patterns and then click on Footer and choose your current footer. So for me, this is my current footer, which is also named as footer. So click on it and it will bring me to the editor screen. So open up the document overview, make sure that the group is selected, which is the uppermost level, so that it includes every element inside this footer. And on the right, you can see there's a panel for more settings. If you don't see the setting, just click on this setting panel and it will appear. And the option styles, click on this icon, which means the styles. Once you're on the style page, then scroll down, you can see under color, there's a background. So click on this background and currently it's set to white color. So I can set to yellow or I can simply enter any HTML color code here, or I can even set a gradient. So up to you. So I want to set yellow. So I click on yellow, then I click save. Now I'm going back to my website. And I'm going to do a refresh. Okay, so now scroll down back to the footer and you can see that now the footer color changed to yellow. So I hope that this short video is useful for you if you want to change your footer color for 2025 theme. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. Thank you very much.